I got those two lawnmowers from one of the websites, and I texted the person if it's available. He told me it's available, and I told him I'll take both of them, and I give him an offer, and he took it. And I told him I'll come and pick it up tomorrow morning, which as I did. It was 45 minutes drive one way after work, so I went to pick it up. As you can see, it's almost $400. I think it's a good deal. This is HRN, Honda HRN, the newer model. As you can see, it's in good condition. And the other one is Craftsman, front wheel drive, with a Honda engine. It's a 160 cc engine. As you can see, both they look good. I started it, both of them they ran, but Craftsman was smoking, so this is okay for now. So this one was smoking. I'll leave you to comment what do you think it's smoking, and I'll answer at the end of the video. So they both have gas. Let's try it. It's a smart drive. Smoke a little bit, maybe because I put in my car, so maybe that's why. This one is gonna smoke a lot. So both runs good. As you can see, this side with the muffler, you can see splashes of oil, and the reason that it smokes, as you can see, the oil is almost double or triple the regular amount. That's why it's